sitting in Kisumu has granted the prosecution 11 days to conclude investigations into the murder of journalist Eric Oloo. The number of suspects has also now reduced to 2. These are brothers Victor Ogola Lutta and Joel Lutta. The case will next be mentioned on 10th December. A preliminary postmortem report indicated that Oloo died as a result of excessive bleeding. Now, the report also said that the body had a blunt injury on the head and that there was severe bleeding in the stomach. Oloo's body was found in the house of Unguja Deputy OCS Sabina Kerubo. Let's now join Kevin Ogutu, our reporter from Kisumu, who is following up on this story for more insights. Kevin, initially there were 5 suspects, but these were reduced to 2. Why is this?
Well, a very good afternoon. And right here, I'm in Siaya, where just some minutes back, we had the Principal Magistrate, James Ongondo, granting the prosecution 11 days to conclude investigations into the death of the Star reporter, Eric Oloo. Now, there are interesting intrigues here following the death of Oloo on the Thursday or Wednesday midnight thereabout. So we initially had 5 suspects, one of them being Chief Inspector Sabina Kerubo, who is the Deputy OCS Unguja Police Station. The second suspect was the daughter, who is a minor, the daughter to Sabina Kerubo. The third suspect being the house help of Sabina Kerubo. And then we also had 2 brothers, one Joel Lutta and another one Victor Lutta, making it a total of 5 suspects. However, today at the courtroom, right here at the Siaya Law Court, we were also astonished to realize that the prosecution had only presented 2 suspects. And in a miscellaneous application number 54 of 2019, they were requesting the Principal Magistrate, James Ongondo, to grant them 14 days. But this owing to the number of days they've already taken in police custody, being a weekend when they were arrested. The Principal Magistrate, James Ongondo, reduced the number the prosecution had asked from 14 to 11. And this now makes the date for their appearance in court the 10th of December. So there are conflicting information regarding the whereabouts of Sabina Kerubo, in whose house Eric Oloo's body was found on the morning of Thursday last week. On one hand, we are being informed by the County Commissioner of Siaya County, that is Michael Oletialal, that she is being held at the Unguja police station. But this is the very station where last week the county commander of police for Siaya County, Francis Kooli, made it very clear to the public that they will not be anywhere near Unguja police station for fear of having the investigations tampered with. And to that effect, Francis Kooli told journalists at Unguja police station on Thursday of last week that this matter will be handled by the DCI officers. The investigation process, that is, will be handled by the DCI officers from right here at the Siaya police headquarters. So it is surprising that on one hand we are being made to understand that we have the suspect at the Unguja police station, the family saying that the suspect, the daughter, and the house help are roaming freely in Unguja area. And on the other hand, the prosecution told the court that so far they only have 2 suspects, that is the brothers Joel Lutta and Victor Lutta, and they are looking for more suspects, meaning they don't have any other suspects in their custody. Remember, the law prohibits having somebody in detention, in police custody for more than 24 hours before being presented in court. And if at all we will have Sabina Kerubo and the 2 other suspects being presented in court tomorrow, then this will of course bring some problems because the law shall not have been followed. So we are also getting other information that the DCI is planning to have Sabina Kerubo, the daughter, and the house help to appear as prosecution witness. But the question here is, who is telling us the truth regarding where Sabina Kerubo is as at now? This is a question that we are trying to find its answer as we speak right now. Back to you in studio.
All right, thank you very much, Kevin Ogutu, for that. Some contradiction information there coming from Kisumu. Of course, he is at Siaya, but of course, the High Court in Kisumu granted the prosecution 11 days to conclude investigations into the murder of the journalist Eric Oloo. Remember, initially there were 5 suspects, but only 2 were arraigned in court. Commissioner says Sabina Kerubo, who is the chief inspector and also the Unguja deputy OCS, is being held at Unguja police station. But as Kevin mentioned, we will be keeping an eye on this and getting the answers.